We're at Fireworks World out in Oklahoma. And there's Steve and Cody and Wimpy Betsy in the car there. There's Matthew. And there's our super torch.
Would it be okay on that pizza pan?
Uh-huh. Ooh.
Oh, that's got a lot of nice colors.
There, girl.
It's a crazy head.
Yeah, she's gonna go fire crazy head off.
She's a crazy head, all right. I didn't chunk it. Crazy girl's gonna fire crazy head.
Let's see what it does.
Come on, crazy girl.
Woo, get away!
Run, 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 run!
Up, is it a dud? Oh no, that's a smoke bomb.
Yeah, it's like a
Ooh,
smoke
I
bomb.
dream a genie.
Dun, 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 dun,
Da 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 da.
Hold it.
Okay, this is a parachute one. Let's see what it does. Woo! Cool! Whoa! Come on.
Oh, that's on a little snake chase. Like jumping jacks.
Yeah, and it kind of blurs to try to make a snake.
You know that one, we lit off one like that, see it out there burning?
Yeah.
It's been burning about 15 minutes.
What's the name of that one?
I don't know.
That one I did?
That was the parachute
Bucky
one.
did.
Okay, there he is, firing it up. Go, go, boys! Woo! Woohoo! There it goes! Woohoo! Whoa! There's Miss Amy and everybody back there. Whoa! Look at that big hamburger he's got. That's from Carl Jr.'s. Yeah.
Yeah, he's ready to sink his teeth into that sucker.
Happy New Year!
Thank you.
It's 12 o'clock, I do believe.
Is it?
And we're in this truck stop,
Yeah,
and
it
it
is
is
12 o'clock.
dead, but we're fixing to munch down.